Have you ever finished an email late at night, but didn't want it to land in someone's inbox until morning? Or perhaps you know that a coworker is out of the office until next week, and you'd like the message to arrive when they return. Outlook gives you options to schedule email messages, but how it works depends upon the version of Outlook that you're using. Don't worry, I'll make it simple. In this training, I'll break down the differences in scheduling email delivery between Classic Outlook, the new Outlook, and Outlook for the web. To learn more about the differences between these versions of Outlook, check out my video in the link above or in the video description below. In Classic Outlook, the feature to control when a message goes out is called Delay Delivery. And this is found in the Options tab when you are creating an email message. And here is Delay Delivery. With Delay Delivery, you can set a future date and time for your email. The catch is that Outlook has to be open on your computer at the scheduled time. If you shut down or close Outlook, the email just sits in your outbox until you reopen the application. Now, sometimes Classic Outlook suggests the Schedule Send option if it notices you're writing outside of work hours, but honestly, it's a hit or miss and nowhere as reliable as the other versions. In the new Outlook app, Microsoft fixed the limitations of delayed delivery. The feature is now called Scheduled Send. Here's an important tip. Make sure that first of all, you finish writing your message and then set up Schedule Send when you're ready. When your message is done, just click this little drop-down arrow next to Send and pick Schedule Send. From here, you can pick a specific date and time for your email. You're not limited to the suggestions here. Instead, I'll pick Custom Time, and let's say that I'd like this to go out on Wednesday, but I want it to be a little bit later in the morning. And now I'll send. The best part is the email is handed off to Microsoft's cloud servers, so it gets delivered at the scheduled time, even if your computer is turned off. Outlook for the web works the same way as a new Outlook. Once again, you want to make sure that your message is ready with the subject line, who are you sending it to, all the content. And then we move to the drop down for send, and here is schedule send. And once again, pick your custom time and pick send. The big advantage is there's no need to keep a device logged in or worry about Outlook being open. So here's a quick recap. In Classic Outlook, delayed delivery works, but only if Outlook stays open. In New Outlook or Outlook for the web, Schedule Send is cloud-based, so it always goes out on time. If you want peace of mind, Schedule Send is the way to go. Even if you're using Classic Outlook, this would be the reason for you to switch over to Outlook for the web or New Outlook for these specific types of email. For more Outlook tips and time-saving shortcuts, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Outlook. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more easy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.